Hi there, I'm Julie Wong from Mighty Hands. Welcome to another tutorial. I'm so excited that you're beginning your journey with clear stamps, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to use them. This is our super cute Sail Through the Storm photopolymer clear stamp set that is new in our August 2020 release. To make these fun cards, I stamped the images in black ink, colored them in with watercolor pencils, cut them out, and then mounted them with foam tape onto the card base to give extra dimension. Our photopolymer clear stamps are made in the USA and they are naturally sticky, so to stamp, just remove one of the stamps from the acetate sheet that it comes mounted on and then place it with the flat side down on your acrylic block. This is our medium-sized acrylic block which fits most of our stamps. To ink up your stamp, gently tap your ink pad on your stamp several times and just check that it's fully covered. For a clear image, press the stamp down firmly and do not rock it. If you're not getting an evenly stamped image, try putting a foam sheet or a mouse pad underneath to distribute the pressure as you stamp. There are several options to clean your stamps. You could use baby wipes, the Lawn Fawn stamp chamois where you just have to add water, or you could use an old rag with water. While it's easy to clean off many inks from your clear stamps, sometimes they're stained by certain inks. If this happens, don't be concerned, they'll still work perfectly fine. If your stamps are no longer sticky, it just means that they're dirty and dusty, so just rinse them under water and let them air dry. I'm going to show you some fun things you can do with your clear stamps because of the nature of the stamps being clear and flexible. In the Sail Through the Storm stamp set, there's a message bottle and there's some words, so I'm going to stamp this message bottle first. I want to stamp hope onto this message bottle, and because the block and the clear stamp are completely clear, it's very easy for me to stamp right where I want to. Another cool thing that you can do with clear stamps is that you can bend them. So here we have our God is Love stamp set, which is one of our most popular sets. And I have this sentiment, you have God's love inside of you. So here I am bending it into an arch. And when I stamp it, I have more design options. And this is something cool that you can do with clear stamps that you cannot do with traditional rubber stamps. So thanks so much for joining us today. I hope that you're going to have lots of fun trying out your clear stamps, and this is the beginning of a wonderful, crafty, and faith-filled journey for you. For more fun videos, please hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also follow us on Instagram and Facebook. God bless the work of your hands.